The opening of the 2023 PIVA Basketball World Cup at the Philippine Arena was a momentous occasion for Bulacan and our nation. Witnessing world-class athletes compete on our hometown was a source of pride and excitement. This event showcased the vibrant spirit of sportsmanship and unity, leaving an indelible mark on our community. I am very grateful to all who made this possible and look forward to the unforgettable matches ahead. Well, let us continue to celebrate the power of sports to bring people together. God bless you all.